Welcome to Photoshop Tricks under 2 minutes. In this video I will show you how to add a realistic fire to the subject's finger. First, duplicate your image. Then go to Select and choose Subject. Next, add a layer mask. Add a new blank layer, then use your pen tool with the path selected. Draw a fireball shape into the subject's finger. Then go to Filter, Render and choose Flame. Select one flame along path under Basic. Then go to the Advanced tab and follow these settings. Then click OK. Next, select your main image layer mask thumbnail and add a gradient map. Then clip your gradient map to your image. Brush every area of the body aside from the fingers and some portions of the head. Last, enable your main background image. That's under 2 minutes. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you on the next video and thank you for watching.